bells. Okay, okay, I don't know what's going on, but it's not that bad. I don't look bad. Daisies, welcome back to another YouTube video. Welcome. I'm so excited about today's video. I'm so excited, and I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but I'm just hoping it turns out great. And please, if this is your first time watching me, please do subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up after watching this video, and let's get right into it. So this is the no mirror challenge. No mirror challenge. No mirror makeup challenge. So I'm going to do my makeup with no mirror. There's no mirror here at all. So I want this to be very real. I don't want to cheat because who am I cheating anyway? So it's gonna be. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I have my things here. I don't want this video to be long, so let's get right into it. So my pencil is well sharpened, like this. Levels, I don't know. Let's prime my face first. So I'm going in with setting powder to set aside out. Okay. So now let's go.
So then, why?
Ew. I think I just cleaned the brows. Okay, I don't know. Okay. Okay. So let's put some primer on the eyelid.
Helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture.
Okay.
It's something that moves.
Charlie, I'm a pro. Yeah? You already know the drill. Like, I'm bad at choosing colors anyways. So. Liner. Perfecto. So, foundation. Foundation. Okay, let's do this. just have a feeling this thing looks so horrible. I just have a feeling. Okay, base, because I don't want to do cream contour. I don't really do cream contour anyway, so let's just set our face like this. Yo, I look so pretty, I know. Please don't laugh. Don't laugh at me at all, okay?
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually,
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I look pretty, yeah? I know. Let's take the big brush and blend it all in because, nigga, we have to win this. We have to win this.
so then, why?
Highlighter. I know I look pretty. I know you're looking like me, like, yo, girl, like, you look pretty.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary
So, this is the moment of truth. Now, let me go for the mirror. And let's see how pretty I look. Okay? The countdown is now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Yo, like. Okay, I think my brows. Okay, I don't know what's going on. But. It's not that bad. I don't look bad, but. What is this? I didn't even blend it well. I think the bronzer was too much. Yo, like my liner. Ooh, liner on fleek. Woo, got you. I look bad. I don't think I can go out with this look. I look like, please, I don't want to mention this, but this is very bad. This is so bad. But I think I didn't do bad. Oh, bad. Yeah, because some of the videos I watch, like the makeup turns out to be so bad, but mine wasn't. So okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you do enjoy it, and let me know whatever challenge you want me to do on my channel. And if this is your first time watching me, please do subscribe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up after you're done watching, and tell a friend, tell another friend to come subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for the support this past days, and I will see you on my next video. Always stay true to yourself, stay beautiful, and know that nobody will love you more than you. So love yourself more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.